So just a quick video. Someone asked me the difference in the buttons between the Simagic GT Neo and the Simagic FXC. Just a difference in the loudness of the buttons. So I thought I'll just make a video to show them. So this is the GT Neo, very nice wheel. So you have wrapped it. It's plastically though, while the FXC is carbon, much better quality. But the buttons feel similar. There is a bit of a difference in sound. So they're both fairly soft and they're both quite clicky. The Simagic sounds a little bit louder. The FXC feels a bit more premium, the buttons, but I don't have the lighting on, but the lighting on the Simagic, the buttons is much better than it is in the FXC. The FXC's got a bit of an old school lighting and it just looks bright and shines completely through the whole button on the GT Neo. But overall, yeah, so do it one more time. Yeah, Simagic a little bit louder, but it's not much. Both nice wheels. I would recommend both of them, to be honest.